Okay, so hello everyone. This is part 13 of our playlist, Django playlist. This is the part 13. In this video, we are going to discuss about how we can send template list dynamically. Okay, means we will create one HTML file. HTML file is nothing but template. Okay, and in that template, we will send list data. Okay, through views. We will create views in order to send the data. So let's see how we can create. So first step is what? Create project. Create a Django project. Okay, so how to create Django project? Let's see. First of all, what we will do, we will go to the file location. Okay, I'll go to the D drive. Just wait. Okay, where I'll go? I'll go my D drive in window R and I will type here D columns. So it will move to the D drive, right? So here I have a folder. Okay, Django template. Inside the project, I'll create another folder. Okay, what is the folder name? Simply, I'm creating a folder. Simply, my folder name is P3. Okay, inside this P3 folder, I will create my Django project. Okay, first I will open this P3 location in CMD. Right, so I will type here CMD. So when you type here CMD, this location, this folder location, P3 folder location will open in CMD. Now here I will create my Django project. Okay, so let me clear first. So what is the command to create Django project? I will write here Django admin create project. What's the project name? Like we can give any project name like list project. Okay, let's see now. Okay, not create project. What's the correct command? Correct command is start project. Okay, Django admin start project list project. Okay, so it has started one project. What is the name of the project? List project, right? Now what we have to do, we will move in this folder. Okay, so what I will do, I will change the directory. Currently my directory is P3. I have to go to the list project directory. So what I will do, cd list project. Okay, and here when I go in list project directory, I will see two files. One is project folder, second is manage.py. Okay, let's see cmd. Okay, so I want to open my project on VS Code. I will open this project on VS Code. How can I open? I will write here code dot, right? So this folder, this project open on my VS Code, right? Now what I will do, okay, now what I will do, I'll create one application. Okay, I'll create one application. How we can create application? py manage.py start app. What's the app name? I'm giving app name as test app. What's my application name? Test app. This name you can give any name you can give, right? So it is started one app. What is my app? Test app. Okay. So what we will do now, we will register this application in what? In settings.py. Okay. So when you go to the list project folder, you will see settings.py. Go here and let me delete this multi-line string. Okay. And here you will see installed app. So inside the installed app, in last, you will register your application. What is your application name? Test app. Okay, so this is how we can register our application, test app. Okay, now see what we have to do next. Okay, create the projects. Once we create the project, now second step is we will create template folder. Create a templates folder. Okay, inside project folder. Yes, these are the same steps. These are the same steps we have to follow in order to create the template folder. Now see how we can create template folder. So we should be there in project folder. So this is our project folder. Okay, top level project folder. Don't create template folder inside this folder. Otherwise, it will not load your templates. So we will create here. So what is folder name? Templates. Okay. And inside the templates folder, create a templates folder inside project folder. Okay. Next step, inside templates folder, create a folder with name of your application. Okay, so what is your application name? My application name is test app. So same folder I will create inside what templates directory. So I'll click here and I'll create the folder. What's the name of the folder? It should be same as test app. Suppose your application name is different, then you will create different folder. So test app. Okay, inside the test app, I'll create one file. I'll create one file, one HTML file. Inside the inside inside folder. Test app folder means templates test app folder, create HTML file. Okay. So here what I will do, I'll create HTML file. Okay, write demo.html. I'm creating here. Now what I will do, I will write some HTML template. I will create one HTML template by pressing exclamation sign and press enter. Okay. And here I'm writing title as Django list. Right. Now what I will do inside the body section, I will write one heading tag. Okay. And here I will write, okay, this is the shortcut way to see or to learn Django in depth. Okay, like that, any heading you can give. Okay, after that, what I will do, I will create one unordered list. Okay, I'm writing here for, okay, creating a list. So here UL is for unordered list, and here I will write LI. Okay, and in LI I will send some data. Okay, I will send some data from where? From views. I can directly display, but I don't want to display directly. I want to send data dynamically, not static data. I want to show data dynamically. So I will use this curly braces. Okay. And inside this curly braces, I will write the name. Okay. So for example, B1 is there some and another list. Okay, inside another list, we have B2. Okay, book 1, book 2, and 3. We have 3 books. Right? Book 3. So this data we will send from views.py. So what I will do, I will create one view. So how we can create the view? Go to the test tab. Inside the test tab, you will see one views.py. Okay, and here we will create one view for sending data in template list. Right. So I'm creating one view like def books view. Okay, what is my books view? What is the name of my view? Books view. Okay, whatever request will come from the URL, we will receive the request from views, and what we will do, we will return render. What we will render on that request, we will render test app slash demo.html, right? And what is the data? We have to send the data. We have to send data where? We have to send 3 books, 1 book, 2 book, and 3 books. We have to send 3 books data. So what I will do here, I will create one dictionary. I'll create one dictionary like books. Okay, how to create dictionary? With the help of curly braces. Okay, and inside the dictionary we have key and values. So I will write here key and values. So what I will write? B1. B1 is what? like we can say book one simply. Okay, B1 will match with book one, and then B2. B2 is containing book two and book three like that is containing, right? So this books dictionary we have created, right? And what we will do at the time of returning, at the time of rendering this demo.html, I will send what? I will send this book dictionary. So how you will send? You will write here, comma, context. Okay, comma, context. And after that, you will write your dictionary name. What is your dictionary name? Books. Okay, books is the name of the dictionary, right? So this is how we will send, right? So we have created this view. Okay, for this view, okay, for this view, we will create one endpoint. So how we can create endpoint? Go to the project folder, and inside the project folder, you will see urls.py. And inside the urls.py, let me delete this. Inside the urls.py, here we will create one endpoint. So I will write here path, and which path we will give? We will say books slash. Okay, and I will write here views dot. What is our view name? What is our view name? Books view. Our view name is books view. Books underscore view. Okay, but it is showing error. Why it is showing error here? Because we didn't import our views file, and views file is available in where it is available inside the test app folder. Our views file available. So we will give the path here from test app import views, right? So like that. Okay, now let me start Django server. How we can run the Django server? Py manage.py run server. Okay, now what we will do, I will just copy this link. Okay, go to the browser, and here I will paste the link and press enter. Okay, so are we getting one endpoint? What is our endpoint name? Books. So I will write here this endpoint books. Okay, so it is displaying error. Why it is displaying error? Because it is showing error. See, here we created one template folder, right? We have created this template folder, but our Django project don't know about this templates folder. So what I will do, I will go to the settings.py file. I'll go into the settings.py file, and here I will create the path. Okay, here base dir contain the project directory path. So what I will do, I'll create one template dir as well. Okay, so what I will write here, I will write here templates dir. Okay, equals to what I will write, base dir slash what is my folder name, templates, right? And what I will do, just leave it. Now what I will do now, I will go inside the templates configuration here, and inside the dir I will write that variable. What's my variable name we have created for path? So variable name is templates dir. Okay, now go to the browser and refresh. Okay, so again it is not displaying. Okay, let me start Django server once again. Py manage.py run server, right? Now refresh it. Okay, so now it is displaying. This is the shortcut way to learn Django in depth, and it is showing what? It is showing create a list, and it is showing books data. Okay, and this books data we are passing into list from views.py. We are passing this data from views. Okay, if I will change the data, okay, like rich, dead. Okay, so what will happen? It will this data will also change. Okay, so data is changing or not. So whatever changes you will do in views.py, the changes will reflect on this template. Okay, here data will reflect, right? I hope you are understanding how we can send dynamic data from views.py. Okay, so that's all for today. In the next video, we will create one project. Okay, and it will be based on like news portal. We will create one news portal in the next project, next video. All right, so stay tuned, everyone. Just practice. If you will practice this code, then definitely you will be able to understand this. Okay, thank you everyone for watching this video.